Question. He left for good. Here, good which part of speech? Answer. Noun. Question. Which is the adjective one? Answer. Severe. Question. Fill in the gaps with appropriate word. A dash man loves his country more than his life. Answer. Kho. Patriotic. Question. The word imprison is. Answer. Verb. Question. Only countable noun can be modified with dash. Answer. A few. Question. Meat is a. Answer. Material noun. Question. He understood living there was very expensive. Here living is. Answer. Gerund. Question. Which is the correct sentence? Answer. The bird flying in the sky looks beautiful. Question. Dash I were not there. Answer. What if? Question. I have not seen him since. Here since is. Answer. Adverb. Question. The evil that man do lives after him. Here that is. Answer. Relative pronoun. Question. Whether the man is seen is a mystery. What type of clause is the underlined one? Answer. Noun clause. Question. Cut your coat according to your cloth. What type of clause is the underlined one? Answer. Adverbial clause. Question. This is the painting after Jainul Abidin. Which type of clause is the underlined one? Answer. Adjective. Question. Where there is a will, there is a way. What type of clause is the underlined one? Answer. Adverb clause. Question. The scholar Gypsy lived in a time when a man had not to suffer from multiplicity of purpose. What type of clause is the underlined one? Answer. Adjective clause. Question. He with his psychological insights understood the upcoming danger ensuing from this man. What type of phrase is the underlined one? Answer. Adverbial phrase. Question. Birds of a same feather flock together. What type of phrase is the underlined one? Answer. Adjective phrase. Question. I am not sure but he will do. What type of clause is the underlined one? Answer. Noun clause. Question. Failures are those who can do nothing for the life after death. What type of phrase is the underlined one? Answer. Adverbial phrase. Question. If the sun rises dash. Answer. Does not darkness go away? Question. If I dash enough riches, I would have established a school for street children. Answer. Have had. Question. He strive hard lest dash. Answer. He should lose the opportunity. Question. Which is the correct sentence? Answer. He is wealthy enough to take the responsibility. Question. Which is the correct sentence? Answer. It is high time we acted against corruption. Question. I wish dash. Answer. I were an affiliate man. Question. He will go there after dash. Answer. He has come. Question. That the soldiers were courageous dash by all. Answer is acknowledged. Question. He said that they dash there. Answer had already reached. Question. Which is the correct sentence? Answer. A lot of information was missing. Question. With a view to making his plan a success, he plotted against his own father. Here, success is. Answer. Noun. Question. I cannot assume if he will depart. What type of clause is the underlined one? Answer. Noun clause. Question. Which word can be used as a plural? Answer. Dear. Question. Which word has no feminine form? Answer. Coward. Question. Which is the correct spelling? Answer. Gha. Question. Identify the wrongly spelled word. Answer. Kha. Question. Which is the correct spelling? Uttar. Gha. Question. What type of noun form is protent? Answer. Protension. Question. What type of verb form of breath? Answer. Breathe. Question. What is the noun form of nullify? Answer. Annulate. Question. In case of raining, we would postpone our journey, make it complex. Answer. If it rained, we would postpone our journey. Question. He arrived here to cheat us, make it compound. Answer. He wanted to cheat us and so he arrived here. Question. Not trusting being a rich man, he lives a very simple life, make it complex. Answer. Although he is a rich man, he lives a very simple life. Question. If he works hard, he can succeed, make it compound. Answer. Let him work hard and he can succeed. Question. He did not follow the rules and regulation, make it passive. Answer. The rules and regulation were not followed by him. Question. I like this man very much, make it negative. Answer. I do not dislike this man at all. Question. As soon as he reached there, all culprits fled away, make it simple. Answer. On his reaching there, all the culprits fled away. Question. He said to me, friend, help me please, make it indirect narration. Answer. Addressing me as a friend, he requested me to help him. Question. At that time, no other person was as wise as the King Solomon, make it superlative. Answer. At that time, the King Solomon was the wisest person. Question. I wish I had a vast property, make it exclamatory. Answer. If I had a vast property. Question. Fill in the gaps of dash two boys I like Shekhar dash most. Answer. The zero article. Question. While dealing with the boy, the parent was working in him. Here, parent is. Answer. Neutral gender. Question. Which word is singular form? Answer. Formula. Question. At last, he understood rearing children is as difficult as working as a day laborer. Here, rearing and working are respectively gerund and gerund. Question. I had him act on my guidance. Here, had is answer causative verb. Question. He was all alone in the vast sea. Here, all is answer adverb. Question. He dreamed dreams. Here, dream and dreams are respectively answer verb and noun. Question. There were few deer in jungle. Here, few is answer numeral adjective. Question. Cleopatra was a beauty. Here, beauty is answer common noun. Question. Most people live below the poverty line in our country. Here, most is answer adjective. Question. There is no mother but loves her child. Here, no and but respectively answer adjective and pronoun. Question. When people will realize the bad effects of the misuse of government property is the what type of clause is the underlined one? Answer noun clause. Question. With under annoyance he left her for good. What type of phrase is the underlined one? Answer adverbial phrase. Question. Mr. Moshiur Rahman, a great teacher, died last week by a road accident. What type of phrase is the underlined one? Answer noun phrase. Question. I made him what he wanted to be. What type of clause is the underlined one? Answer noun clause. Question. No other person can do it better as he does. What type of clause is the underlined one? Answer adverb clause. Question. The meeting being over, we return home. What type of portion is the underline? Answer adverbial phrase. Question. A man having a vast riches does not always lead a happy life. What type of clause is the underlined one? Answer adjective phrase. Question. It is a universal truth that the sun rises in the east. What type of clause is the underlined one? Answer noun clause. Question. Due to unavoidable circumstances, he could not attend the function. What type of phrase is the underlined one? Answer adverbial phrase. Question. Not only the chief but also of the subordinate officers dash concerned about the matter. Answer were. Question. Lately Rajiv, in addition to his 5 friends dash by the principal, has been called in. Question. The man we met last night dash through a trying time. Answer is passing. Question. Anyone gets puzzled since he dash his father. Answer takes after. Question. Which is the correct sentence? Answer. The fisherman saw many salmon swimming in the river. Question. Had he realized it earlier, he dash this crime. Answer. Would not have committed. Question. You may dash wealth but should not dash it. Answer. Long for, run after. Question. Which is the incorrect sentence? Answer. Between John and Tom John is better to me. Question. We had better dash smoking if we want to keep healthy. Answer. Refrain from. Question. Which is correct sentence? Answer. It is time for us to take preparation for BCS exam seriously. Question. As the king had fallen from powers, even beggars did not honor him. Make it simple. Answer. The king having fallen power, even beggars did not honor him. Question. You cannot cut a good figure in the exam if you do not utilize time properly. Make it compound. Answer. Utilize time properly or you cannot cut a good figure in the exam. Question. He disturbs the school going girls and the police arrested him. Make it complex. Answer. The police arrested him as he disturbed the school going girls. Question. He has said to me, what a lame excuse you have presented. Make it indirect. Answer. He has exclaimed with disgust that I have presented a very lame excuse. Question. Everybody hates a liar. Make it negative. Answer. There is nobody but hates a liar. Question. No other flower is as popular as rose. Make it superlative. Answer. The rose is the most popular flower. Question. He should not indulge in gambling. Make it imperative. Answer. Let him not indulge in gambling. Question. We have to follow the path shown by the great prejudice. Make it passive. Answer. The path shown by the great predecessors has to be followed by us. Question. Jamil is more intelligent than Tamim. Make it positive. Answer. Tamim is not so intelligent as Jamil. Question. We know that our behavior did not satisfy you. Make it passive. Answer. It is known to us that you are not satisfied with our behavior. Question. Which word is wrongly spelled? Answer. Gha. Question. Which word is correctly spelled? Answer. Kha. Question. Which is the correct spelling? Answer. Kha. Question. Cow is to ox as bitch is to. Answer. Dog. Question. Adjective of the word people is. Answer. Populace. Question. Which word is related to common sense and understanding? Answer. Sensibility. Question. How many parts in a letter? Answer. 6. Question. The last sentence of the paragraph is called. Answer. Terminator. Question. They very quickly from the very beginning. Here, 3 underlined words are respectively. Answer. Verb, adverb and adjective. Question. The verb form of flight is. Answer. Fly.